Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect Trust Wallet to CoinStats. First, open your CoinStats application and locate the Wallets tab. From there, you will select Add Wallet and then choose Trust Wallet from the list of available options. Make sure your Trust Wallet is already open and ready on your device for a smooth connection process. This initial step is crucial for syncing your crypto portfolio. Once you've selected Trust Wallet in CoinStats, a unique QR code will appear on your screen. Use your Trust Wallet's built-in scanner to scan this code. After scanning, a connection request will pop up in your Trust Wallet. Carefully review the details and confirm the connection. You'll also need to grant CoinStats the necessary permissions to view your wallet's assets, ensuring your data is accurately displayed. After confirming the connection, CoinStats will begin synchronizing your Trust Wallet data. This process usually takes only a few moments, depending on the number of assets you hold. Once complete, you should see all your Trust Wallet assets and their current values reflected within your CoinStats portfolio. Take this opportunity to explore your portfolio's performance, track your investments, and review your transaction history with ease. Should you encounter any issues during the connection process, don't worry. A common solution is to try reconnecting your wallet or ensuring both your Trust Wallet and CoinStats applications are updated to their latest versions. This often resolves most syncing problems. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Keeping your apps current ensures optimal performance and a seamless experience for managing your crypto portfolio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.